This video is gonna talk. I'm gonna tell y'all.
Wait. Oh, well, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, we don't need no introduction. Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that?
She is doing the most. She is doing the most.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her legs front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I'm about to take this picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fast.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my mister.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister.
Uh-uh.
Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. Don't you whistle. I had to get cute today. I bombed jeans fur boots today. I had to keep it looking good because my baby daddy just made bail. He a thug, he a shoot today. New baby, need new shoes today. Shots for a check it to today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Gon' be fit up. Move, trap.
Get out my way.
It's the 15 I got. Food stamps. Got a brand new pierce. A brand new tax. Paid $95 for this week plus tax. Bow! Better thing go watch State Farm. Nowhere heard this can't along. Thinking that you better than I am, well then you thinking wrong. She a lie. My number. Boy bye. Hey girl.
You working
You look
them
good.
heels.
Turn, let me see you do your soul here.
Okay.
OMG, what do she have on? That lady's front is all